In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Yahoo Mail not sending a verification code, a common problem that can be frustrating. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can receive those important verification codes without a hitch. To start, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to login.yahoo.com. On this page, you're greeted with the familiar Yahoo login interface. Begin by entering your Yahoo email address into the designated field. This initial step is crucial as it gets you on your way to accessing your account and resolving any issues with verification codes. Once you've entered your email address, click on the Next button. This will lead you to the password entry phase. Here, take care to input your password accurately, ensuring there are no typos, to facilitate a smooth login process. If everything's been entered correctly, you should now be in your account without any trouble, ready to delve deeper into resolving the verification code issue. Now that you're in, keep your eyes peeled for your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen, right beside the envelope icon. Click on your profile photo, which will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From here, you're going to want to click on the option labeled Manage Your Account. Choosing this will take you to a new page where you'll need to select the Security tab. This section houses all the settings relating to your account's security, including how Yahoo manages verification codes and recovery options. Once you've reached the security settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Verification Method. This part is integral to solving your issue because incorrect or outdated settings here might be the reason you're not receiving verification codes. Carefully go over the details to ensure that your mobile number or recovery email address is correct and current. An old phone number or email could indeed be the main reason those verification codes have been eluding you. If you notice any discrepancies with your contact information, don't worry, there's a straightforward remedy. Simply click on the link that reads Add Email Address or Add Phone Number. This easy fix allows you to either update or add new verification methods, ensuring that all information is current. Keeping this information up to date is crucial, not only for receiving your verification codes but also for maintaining the overall security and accessibility of your Yahoo account. And that's it. You've now learned how to address and fix the issue of not receiving Yahoo Mail verification codes. Remember, keeping your contact information updated is key to smoothly accessing your account and receiving verification codes promptly whenever needed.